I'm doing it for my daughter.
Carter.
I didn't put on any lotion before I went. Is this the egg?
I'm sad. I want to hang out with the crew. Yeah.
But I'll be fine. Egg with a coat on.
Is this plate?
I have a thing that makes the egg.
She got the chicken.
Chicken or the egg?
Nachos came first.
Chicken or the egg?
I know. She did the chicken. She says like break the chicken. Like which one? We the actual order of eggs.
Actually,
So like move over, take the floor if you can, or people move up.
Okay. What?
Yeah,
one of the guys is over here. Never heard of that before.
I told y'all. I was like yesterday. I was like, I made a British accent.
He said okay. I'm sorry.
I'm suspicious, but
I was gonna
guys,
but you know.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, we do have another contestant coming in. I'm not gonna lie, he's kind of a big deal. He's an actual influencer.
An actual.
Yeah, he has
He actually matters.
he couldn't make it yesterday because he was in Complex Con in Vegas doing interviews. And we're paying him a lot of money to be here. So please learn from him. The difference between a burnout and an influencer is somebody who can make connections, okay?
that's cool.
So,
No, I'm getting paid.
Benny boy, how's it going?
What's up, buddy? Thank you so much for doing this. This is your oyster, Chris. Okay. So whatever you need, you let us know. We'll get you taken care of. And guys, this is Chris.
Hi, Chris. Nice to meet you. Y'all can't call me that. Refer to me as Tank until you're in that privilege.
Say it again. Tank.
Tank.
Okay.
None of you guys have earned that privilege to be called me by my real name.
All right.
Whatever, Tank.
So you guys learn from Chris here, please. Thank you.
Welcome.
Hi, Tank.
Is this where I get the
Welcome.
So we're good, right?
To the house. Thank you.
Hi, Tim.
So I take it they've had a chance to explain to you who I am?
No.
They said you're a big deal.
Yeah.
Big is not even the start of that word. First off, they kind of gave me an idea of what's going on here. Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
I tell you guys you call me Tank for one big reason. None of y'all seem to have the following I got. 250K on Instagram, 500K on YouTube, 100K over on Twitch.
Awesome.
If none of you guys can break 10K on any of that, you don't get to call me by my real name.
We'll just call you Tank whatever you want, you know?
Sounds good, sounds good. What are your pronouns? Lady, you're gonna learn one fucking rule about being in this game long term. Leave the fucking politics out of it, okay? You might feel offended, but that's fine, it's the world. The world's offensive. You think I like to look at fucking documentaries of cheetahs eating fucking zebras? What? No, I don't. Those animals, the first time it seems like a black and white could come together, no problem.
Bert, you're my friend now.
We can't hear you.
I want to introduce myself. I'm Bert, B-R-T, like in the black urban raw top.
Hell yeah, man. How you doing?
Well, I changed it.
Where you from, man?
From Jersey.
Really, Jersey? What part?
Union County.
Oh, no. You know a buddy of mine named Riley? Riley Skirts?
I'm not sure if I'm familiar.
That's okay. You'll learn one of these days. You'll learn from him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Follow me. You guys will understand everything. Before I continue, though, I'll be right back.
Welcome to
Welcome.
Always gotta be conquered. Oh, wait, man. Guys got some shit I need to take care of.
You got new hair today. Is it always purple?
Yeah, was it the same?
I like it.
Blue and
Yeah, it's
purple.
cute.
Seems like a nice
It's
guy.
nice. Oh, literally.
So nice.
What a character.
He's a character. That's what I'm Big personality.
I don't see the light.